Hi, I'm Steve Knutson. I'm a Microsoft MVP for Office Services and Apps. Today I'm going to do a demo which will appeal to both SharePoint fans, Power BI fans and cricket fans. I'm going to take this dashboard that I've created using World Cricket Statistics and I'm going to load this into my SharePoint site using Power BI. So I started off by creating the dashboard in Power BI, and in this scenario here I've actually just used Excel as my data source. And what I'm going to do is I've created my dashboard. I'm then going to go and grab the URL from the top here. And from that URL, I'm going to use that to embed this Power BI dashboard into my SharePoint site. So over on my intranet, I've got a link to dashboard, and when I click to my dashboard page, you'll see it's currently blank. I'm now going to edit this page. And I've got a full width section down here. Now, one thing you might discover with Power BI Webpart is if you put it into a narrow section, that you get quite compressed information. So I'm just going to search in here for Power BI. I'm going to find the Power BI Webpart, and then I'm going to click Add the report, paste the link in, and then I'll show you a couple of things which will appear here. So it's just going to load my report up for me. And you'll see down the bottom I've got different pages. If I click through the different pages on here, I'll get different views of my dashboard, different reports that make up my dashboard. I can select from this drop down here and specify which pages that I want to display. I can set the layout between 4:3 and 16:9. So if I do that, it's going to re-render the page. But I'm just going to switch back to my original 16:9 layout. I like that better. And if I want to hide the pages down the bottom down here, I can just turn off this navigation option. So I'll close those settings and republish the page. Now, any users that access this page would need to have a Power BI Pro license to be able to view the visualization on the page. If they don't have Power BI Pro, they'll have a license message pop up and the content won't display. I can interact with this chart on my dashboard here. I can click on, for example, a specific cricket player and find out which stadiums that they scored 4s and 6s at. I could also click onto a cricket ground and say New Zealand and find a list of stadiums here where people have scored runs. And you'll see it's highlighting on the dashboard over here. I can also scroll across and I can find someone like, let's find Sachin Tendulkar, and you'll see that he's like a head and shoulders above everyone else. Click on Sachin's bar here and you'll see where he's scored 4s and 6s. And you'll notice that some of those are in North America. So if we click into North America, you'll see the grounds here, and you'll see who else has also scored 4s and 6s at the cricket grounds. This information is available on the Cricinfo website if you want to build the dashboard yourself. I hope you've enjoyed this demo. If you have, please subscribe to my channel. I've got lots of other videos around SharePoint and so on. I thought this was a bit of fun for today.